Alright, Jason Sims here with Classic Motorcycle Consignments. I'm all dirty because we just pulled this bike out of a long-term storage facility. It's been sitting for many years. It's actually a really fresh build. Fresh motor, fresh trans, new paint, new everything. It's been sitting for a minute, but we got it going yesterday. Rode it around a little bit, and now I want to show you some proof of life here. So I'll give you a starting sequence here real quick. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this thing full choke. I think the gas is on already. I'm going to give it full throttle. I'm going to just give her 2 or 3 prime kicks. I'm going to go for 3 for good luck. Then I'm going to unchoke it a little bit here, just give it a little bit. Turn on the ignition. I got power. I'm going to go full throttle. Should go. Knucklehead here. It's only got just a few miles on the motor. As you can see, it doesn't smoke, doesn't do anything. It's a blast to ride. Pretty sweet ride. It's going to be available on the website coming here real soon. If you're interested in it, give us a call. Have a good day.